So we did it. We hit 1,000. I actually almost can't believe it because honestly, I never really had much of a thing for YouTube until, well, Ryan came along and actually met him. But as we can see, we have 1,000. Very nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to just get right into this. And again, I want to say thank you for just making this all possible to every one of you. And every one of you who may subscribe after this. But we're going to get into this. I'm going to do this completely silent. Just let you hear the sounds of retro unboxing. And then kind of talk about this a little bit more after we're done. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to actually test this out because I don't have a PS2 computer handy to actually plug this into at the moment. So, well, let's just get into it, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna break my silence just to say, damn, it's nice to see something like this just so ridiculously clean. And that's really it for this. Everything is unboxed and just, wow. This is so clean. I'm actually going to just stick this back in the box because I don't have a use for this just yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing portion. Now, a very quick little retrospective. Pretty much, this whole thing started actually way back in, I believe, around 2011, 2009, that thereabouts. Because the video that originally got me partnered with YouTube, which I don't have anymore, unfortunately, because they changed their requirements and such, was this video about how I was booting Android on my old HTC Touch Pro 2, because it was running Windows Mobile, and Windows Mobile at the time was kind of getting long in the tooth and people tolerated it for the most part. It was very quickly losing ground to Android and iOS. So some enterprising people made it so you could boot Android 2.1 on the Touch Pro 2. Considering I really liked the hardware, I did it and I showed it off, and that got a ton of views for whatever reason. And YouTube emailed me, they're like, hey, you've got a lot of views. Here you go, you're in the partner program now. Sweet. I never ran ads, and I never did much with my YouTube, maybe did a couple of Let's Plays that are now deleted, but I didn't really do anything with it until 2013 when I met Ryan. Now, the funny thing is with Ryan, I met him over a phone, literally. I'm pretty sure I've told this story before, but I'm going to tell it again. Pretty much, I found him based on him commenting on UXW Bill's videos all the time. And I thought, well, he's always here, let's check him out. Liked his content, subscribed, and he mentioned he got a Nexus S from eBay in 2013 or so, and at the time I was getting away from Sprint and moving towards T-Mobile, so I had an old Galaxy Nexus that was orphaned and I wasn't going to be able to really do anything with it, so I was like, hey, do you want a Galaxy Nexus? I'd be willing to ship it to you for free. I mean, cost of shipping. So we got to talking, and he was like, well, I live in San Jose, which is a 1-hour drive from where I'm at. So I was like, no way, you live relatively close to me. So I opted to just drive over to him and pretty much hand deliver the phone to him, and I met up with him. We talked for a little bit before, parting ways, and eventually it just kept snowballing from there. What ended up happening after that is he actually was selling a Inspiron 14Z, and my laptop at the time had started really having issues. So I was like, hey, you don't have to do me any favors here, but would you be willing to let me buy that thing off you in payments? Because my laptop is currently very broken. And he was like, yeah, sure. So that happened, and then we ended up basically in a couple of mutual groups and such like that, and it really just went from there, and that's how we're good friends to this day. But that's really how I'm here in a bigger presence than I was way back in like 2010. Is Ryan, I saw what he was doing on YouTube, and I was like, you know what? I want to do that. And I also saw Bebish at PCM, and he kind of also served as the launch pad for my getting into this because I wanted to do content like him, and well, here we are. So, yeah, that's pretty much really it. Just a quick retrospective and some retro unboxings for our good old 1,000 subscribers. Will I get 10,000? Maybe not, I don't know. It would be nice, but I'm not expecting it. I just want, a small little community. I don't want to be big or anything like that, so I'm perfectly fine with what I have here. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed, and again, thank you guys for all the support over the years, and, well, let's keep on going. I'll see you next time.